So hopefully my mic works today. I charged everything up, so we should be good to go. Today I'm gonna start with Sunshine and Chaos Budgeting's season book. And I finished March and April off camera. And then today, and I have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And I'm gonna do 2 icons. We're gonna do 6 today. I'm doing 2 icons with roll the die since I have extra money, and then these 4 will be $1. So 6. Where's my marker? So 6 and another 6. Maybe I won't be able to do all the ones. Oh, so 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I didn't think this through. And I will do 3 icons or 3 ones. So 1, oh, the blue's running out. 1, 2, and 3. Yeah. And so for spring, spring we have 20, 40, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75. That's pretty good. And then and then we'll come back to this next week. And then I'm gonna do my A5 binder because I haven't been in. It don't seem like I've been in here in a while. And for this, I have 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. And let's see. We'll roll and save for this one's 2025 from Sent on a Budget. And 4. We'll do 4, and I'll come back to this one if I have enough money. 2, 3, 4. Let's see. And then next up is Penguin Party. And I'm going to put in a 5. We'll do this 5. I'll just X them. And this is from Windmill Ridge Budgets and More. I cleaned my table, but maybe I need more room. I made the table long ways, so I had more room when I sit. But I have stuff like in front of me, like all my binders and savings challenges and stuff. And then this one's 2025 from April's Fresh Start. And I did the 2 off camera. Well, the rest of the 2 off camera. So we'll start the 0, 2. I'm not going to color these ones in. I'll just write the number 1, 2. And this one's from Sunshine. It's her Happy Easter. I didn't get to do it in April, so since I was gone. So I'm gonna scratch two of them. So 2, 1, 2, and we'll do this bottom one. $3. So I'll just put in a 5. I'll take this back and put in a 5. And then this one's from Jasmine over at MS Mom Budgets. And I got this off of her membership on Ko-fi. And we'll do this one. $6. And she said she made this one special for me because I like unicorns. It's kind of my channel icon, I guess. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I don't think I'm going to have enough for everything. I'll just do my birthday. If I'm not going to do the $5, I'm going to just roll and save if I can. I'm going to roll again because I only have 3. Oh, I'll just put the 3. And so that's all the money today. Oh, no, it's not. I have one more thing to do. That's all the money for this binder. I have $100 and I'm gonna do my 100 envelope challenge. And I'm gonna do all the 10s because there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'm gonna do the 100 in that. And I'm just gonna X them out. Oh, okay. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. And this challenge is for me. And it's in, I think it's in my Etsy shop. And this is my 100 envelope I'm using for my 100 envelopes. So I'm just gonna stick it in this one. And I'm trying to get caught up on this because I haven't been able to do it because I haven't had the money. So that's all I have so far. But I'm gonna try to start doing them, like 2 or 3 of them every week if I can. And that's all I have for today. I'll be back tomorrow for group play. If you guys can't make it, I hope you all have a happy Mother's Day. And I'll see you in the next video.